Adhesion failures, driven by pretreatment variability, remain one of the most underestimated root causes of large-scale field issues in automotive coatings. Unlike visible process defects, pretreatment-related failures often pass initial appearance checks and only manifest weeks or months later, making them some of the most expensive and reputation-damaging problems an OEM can face. Pretreatment is the true foundation of the entire coating system. No primer, additive, or clear coat technology can compensate for an unstable or inconsistent conversion layer. The role of pretreatment is not simply cleaning. It is chemical surface engineering, designed to create a uniform, chemically bonded interface that supports long-term adhesion and corrosion resistance. The first failure mechanism begins with incomplete or inconsistent cleaning. Oils, stamping lubricants, corrosion inhibitors, and shop contaminants do not distribute uniformly across a body in white. Complex geometries, hem flanges, and enclosed sections receive lower impingement and chemical exchange. Even microscopic organic residues reduce surface energy, preventing proper wetting of the phosphate or zirconium layer. This leads to patchy conversion coatings that appear visually acceptable but lack cohesive strength. Conversion coating variability is the next critical contributor. Phosphate crystal size, coverage density, and morphology directly affect primer anchoring. Over-accelerated baths produce coarse, brittle crystals that fracture under thermal cycling. Under-accelerated systems generate thin, incomplete layers that fail adhesively. Zirconium-based systems are even more sensitive, relying on precise pH, conductivity, and dwell time control to achieve consistent nanoscale coverage. Rinse quality plays an equally important role. Pore cascade control allows drag-in contamination, leaving salts or surfactant residues on the surface. These residues attract moisture post-assembly, creating localized corrosion cells beneath otherwise intact paint films. Adhesion loss in these cases often appears as blistering or peeling during humidity testing rather than immediate delamination. Primer interaction with the pretreatment layer determines whether early defects remain dormant or propagate into failures. Electrocoat primers are designed to chemically bond with the conversion layer, but this bond depends on uniform surface chemistry. Areas with disrupted pretreatment show lower crosslink density at the interface, creating weak boundary layers that fail cohesively under stress. Thermal history further exposes pretreatment weaknesses. During bake cycles, differential expansion between metal substrates and the coating stack places shear stress on the interface. Proper pretreatment distributes this stress uniformly. Inconsistent layers concentrate stress, initiating microseparation that grows with each thermal cycle. Environmental exposure accelerates failure progression. Moisture diffuses through the coating over time, reaching the pretreatment interface. Where conversion coverage is poor, water disrupts ionic bonding and promotes underfilm corrosion. This corrosion expansion physically lifts the coating, converting a chemical weakness into a visible defect. From a plant troubleshooting perspective, adhesion failures traced to pretreatment often present as random, non-repeatable defects across different body zones. Pull-off tests may show wide variability. Crosshatch adhesion may initially pass, then fail after humidity or thermal aging. This inconsistency is a hallmark of pretreatment instability rather than paint formulation issues. Additives offer only secondary mitigation. Adhesion promoters and primers can improve tolerance to minor variability, but cannot bridge fundamentally poor surface chemistry. Corrosion inhibitors slow damage progression, but do not restore lost interfacial bonding. Relying on additives instead of correcting pretreatment control creates delayed failures rather than durable solutions. OEM corrective actions focus on process discipline. This includes tighter bath chemistry control, improved spray impingement mapping, enhanced cleaning stages for high-risk areas, and routine surface energy audits. Advanced plants use contact angle measurements and surface analysis to detect variability before defects emerge downstream. The key takeaway is that adhesion failures rooted in pretreatment are not paint defects, they are system failures. Paint performance is only as robust as the chemical foundation beneath it. Long-term durability demands consistent surface preparation, precise chemical control, and continuous validation under real-world stress conditions. If you've experienced unexplained adhesion loss, peeling, or corrosion starting beneath intact paint films, share your observations in the comments. We'll address real plant cases and deeper diagnostic strategies in future episodes.